to me, label release paper is the easiest thing that I have ever used. But in the past, I have used tracing paper, parchment paper, specialty transfer paper. You can even use regular paper, but you got to rub it off after it dries. All right, that's a little more tedious. And if you print text or some kind of design, anything you print at 180, flip it. All right, flip it horizontally, flip it like that. Here goes some little faces that I had did. All right, and I just printed me out a bunch of them. And I did this, and I thought, you know, it might be easier a long way like that, because I think these might be easier to apply. We're going to find out. Lego faces are going to be a little more difficult because they tiny, and you got to align things just right. I just rig me up a little head holder thing, so that way you can put the head on like that right there, you know. And this just gives you something to hang on to. Now sometimes, depending on how much gel medium, transfer medium you use, you may have some little excess right there. And so I just take me and you know, you can kind of just come around here and just scrape that away, and just like that right there.